Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm going to do a quick flip through of the new budget companion pack that came out with the spring release. I thought that this was a Joann's exclusive, but I actually ordered mine from Pretty Paper Journey. She's on Instagram and she does have a shop online where she does sell some happy planner items. So in the companion pack, the first thing you see is this bracelet. And it says, wear this bracelet as a reminder to be intentional with your spending and conscious of where your money goes. And so then the companion packs always come in these pretty folders. So the thing that really got me on the companion pack was that it includes these 4 envelopes. So if you do cash envelope stuffing or anything like that, you want to save receipts, there's enough for 4 different categories here. So this black one says, know your worth. This one says you already have more than you need. Don't we happy planners need to realize that? This one says your future looks so bright. And this one says spend less, choose well. So I love the envelopes. I'm not exactly sure. I'd like to do cash envelopes, but I don't like cash. So I may just use it for receipts and to track spending that way. So then we have a lot of inserts. The first one says financial goals. It says next month, next quarter, next 6 months, next year. And it's got for the year of up top. And then we have a vision map. So we have 1 year, 2 year, 5 year, and 10 year. Where do you see yourself in? So that's our first one. And then I really like these bill schedules. So these are undated. And you have one for each month, I believe. Yeah, so there's 3 pages of 4 months. So these are undated. You fill in your own dates for the month of, so you can start these at any time. And then we have different colors here. I love all the pretty colors. So we have that. I'm probably just going to use these as an insert into my budget planner. And then we have a debt repayment. So we have account name, a box to check off paid off. We have interest rate, beginning balance, end of year balance. You can mark your payments here. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have enough for 8 accounts. Then we have a savings tracker. So we have one page of those, and it's double-sided. So we have enough for 4 different types savings accounts. We have saving for, amount needed, target date, starting balance, and monthly saving goal. And then you can track your deposits and your balance. So I like that. This is really nice if you're doing sinking funds. And then if you're doing cash envelopes, you have 4 envelopes, one that you could do for each sinking fund. So that's a good idea to use for those inserts. And then we have no spend trackers. So I really need these. Probably won't do the month of March and won't do the month of October because those are 2 big Happy Planner releases. And I should probably start sinking funds for those 2 Happy Planner releases. That's a good idea. You know, or if it's not Happy Planner, if you just have a hobby that you like, you know, you could totally arrange your sinking funds and your budget schedule to match those hobbies. Or even if it's a family vacation. So we have for the month of, don't spend on, and then we have 31 check boxes that you can, or circles that you can check off your days you did not spend. Report back, how did it go this month? So we have, I think we should probably have, well, no, actually we have 4. We have 8 of those. So that's good. They left us a couple months for Happy Planner releases, right? And then we have a budget review. We have our year, our income, our expenses, and our savings. So you can fill in those for each month, and then there's space for notes at the bottom. And then we just have a graph paper on the back. Oh, actually we have, so maybe this is kind of like a vision board. I'm not sure. You could definitely make this a vision board because we have 2 pages of graph lined paper, not really lined, but graph. And then it's also graph on the back. So we have those 4 pages. And then we have a bunch of note pages, and these are really cute. So it just says note to self, and on the back it says notes and ideas, and it's lined. So we have 1, let's count these, 2, so we have 10 of those. And I actually like these. It'd be nice if there was 12 because for my monthly like my bill tracker, I like to make notes and figure out my account balance versus how many bills are left and whatnot, how much money is left in the account before the bills come out, or you know, after whatever, so I know that I have enough money in my account to cover the bills. So that's probably what I'll use that note paper for. And then on this side we have some stickers. So we have these are gold foiling. These are cute. Let's see, you already have more than you need. Fill your head with dreams and your heart with wonder. Collect moments, not things. Quality over quantity. There's magic in saving. Your speed does not matter. Forward is forward. I like that. Spend less, choose well. Seize today. Once you need less, you will have more. Live simply. I like that. Okay, so we have 4 total sticker sheets, and then this one is set up to fit the vertical boxes. Your future looks so bright. Don't give up what you want most for what you want now. Save now, spend later. Daydreaming is free. Kind words cost nothing, and know your worth. And then we have some of this pretty rainbow stripe that kind of matches the whole companion pack, little washi strips. And then we have some colorful boxes that all say bill due with some little bill icons over here. So we have a house, TV, Wi-Fi, gas, cell phone. This could be electricity. It's a fire. So we have car, a light bulb, shopping, groceries, a piggy bank, credit cards, plan, and $2 signs. And it's the same on both pages. Those are cute. And then we have a folder. It says quality over quantity, and it matches the whole color scheme. I like that. And then this is like a dry erase board that is also a divider. So I probably won't use this as a dry erase board. I may use it as like a divider for my planner to mark my budget section. But you have weekly expenses and totals, week of, bills to pay, date, description, amount, needs and wants. And then on the back we have dot grid, and don't forget with a grid on here. So this is a really cute companion pack if you just need a little extra something to go in your budget planner. I am probably going to Franken-plan my planners, and I'm not sure if I'm going to add a budget section in there or not yet, but we'll see. So that's it for this video. Hopefully you enjoyed. If you're considering getting this budget companion pack, I think it's a great addition. And if you're not subscribed to my channel, I hope you would consider. I will see you guys on my next video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.